Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will unbox the Galaxy SmartTag 1. It's the first edition of the Galaxy SmartTag. It came free with my phone, which my dad bought in 2021. Not my phone, his phone, but he gave it to me. They're unused. I've also got a cell battery. I don't have it right now, but I'll get it when this is open. So yeah, I've sealed it ever since then, and I thought that the battery must be dead, so I got a new battery. So this is completely sealed. So I'll try to open it. Let me just make a crack. I already tried to open it like a year ago and it didn't open. So you can see this. That was from when I tried to open it last year, but it didn't open. So let me just try to open it. I've put on like 50 layers of tape. And I just found out it's just easy to take off the tape and yeah, look at that. I wasted so much tape. Oh my god. Tape is kind of expensive, you know. Wow, I wasted so much tape just for it to become a YouTube video, but I'm not gonna complain. Maybe I'll use this tape for some other purpose, like to hang something, because it looks perfectly fine. So yes guys, let's just open it. So guys, let's open it in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that is. So this and then yeah, that's the bill. I'll just take that away for now. But this is our main focus, the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. So it has Bluetooth, obviously SmartTag 1 pack. It came in many packs I think, but yeah, let's open it. Well, my father opened it very badly, so it doesn't look very nicely. Oh, put some things on the side. You can attach it on a car keys, you can put it on a door, you can put it on your luggage too. So yeah, let's just take it out. And so that is this quick start guide. We won't be needing that, but yeah. So guys, this is the Samsung SmartTag. Let's see if it is alive. It's supposed to be, yeah, it's not alive. So I'll just open the back. 1 second. Okay guys, so I opened it with this knife. I'll just put this for wash. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've opened the back, and wow, that's all you get. Just kidding. Here's the back of the SmartTag. So they say to use you can't like take it out like this. So they say to put a SIM ejector tool over here and put it up, and then let's just see if it comes out or not. They say that. I myself don't know. I'll just see. So guys, as you can see, I've got its SIM ejector tool from the box of my previous phone. So yeah, let's see if this works. Just have to like take it up. Oh. 1 second. 0.6, yes. Need 2 hands. Oh, there we go. This is the dead battery. What's it? What is it? Henley Max, whatever that is. So over here, I've got Duracell CR2032, which I think is the same model as, yeah, you can see CR2032. Where is it? CR2032. So yeah, this will work. This is compatible. I only want to take out one. I don't want to take out two. God. This was so hard. I had to cut across the package. Then I had to lift it out like this. Then I found out that it's a double layer protection, so I had to take this out. And then I finally got to it. Got to the battery. Here it is. So let's just put that inside. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, I don't know what you mean by that, but this is not just an unboxing video, it's also a setup video. So I also set it up. Also set it up. So now let's go forward to my phone screen. Saw in the manual how to reset it, and I'm like just resetting it. 1 second. Let me just show you. So they said you need to hold it. While holding it, put the battery inside until you hear a beep. There we go, and it's reset. So now I'll just put back the cover. Here we go. So now oh, there we go. This is so cool. SmartTag, Galaxy SmartTag 34D ad. It already detected it. It's so funny and so cool. Agree. Here we go. Oh, I think it is connected. Oh, just oh, that's nice. Oh, update.
A few moments later.
Okay, it is updated. Yeah, it will ring my. Oh. There we go. I'll not open the map. No, that's nice. Well, I guess that's that's nice. So yeah, guys, that's basically it, I guess. Yeah, that's the very loud. So yeah, guys, that's the unboxing and setup of the Samsung Galaxy tag, and I'll give you my review on this a few days or a few weeks after. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.